Oh yes, we're back again. Kiskerine Events and Barking and Dagenham Council presents the African Showcase Market Festival in Barking, celebrating diversity through commerce. The African Showcase, successfully run for 14 years, will take place on Wednesday, 9th August 2017 at the Market Square Town Centre, Barking, IG11 8DQ from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Admission free. In attendance at the African Showcase and Market Festival as special guest will be Mayor Abdulaziz. The African Showcase 2017 shall feature live performances by artists from North, East, South and West Africa. Funfair for children, talking drummer Ayode First, DJ Alexo the Afrobeat King, acrobat and fire eater Nee, drum workshop with Seneke from Gambia, Nollywood actors, authentic arts and craft, drum workshop, acoustic PD workshop, headgear wrapping seminar, and African cultural classes. There will be over 40 market stalls, all displaying authentic African products and services. Be sure to be part of the fun-filled event. To exhibit or attend, call Ola on 079-566-75412. Email kiskerine@me.com. Website africanshowcasemarket.com. The African Showcase Market and Festival, celebrating diversity through commerce.